Hello, my name is Miss Mitchell, and I'm going to teach you
How I paid off $16,480 in credit card debt in less than a year. In August 2019, I took a cash advance offer with 0% interest from Bank of America. Here's my payoff timeline. The cash advance principal amount was $16,000. The cash advance fee was $480, so the total amount was $16,480. I started paying off this debt on August 30th, 2019. On that day, I paid down $400, which left me with a balance of $16,080. Then in September, I began increasing my debt because I made purchases. The first purchase was of $348.19, which brought my debt right back up to $16,428. Then on September 9th and 13th, I began paying that down some more, $598 and $428 respectively, and that brought down my balance to $15,000. Then on September 14th, you can see that I increased that debt again by spending $599, and then on the 19th, spending another $1,000.28. I think that was for an event that I had. So that brought my debt all the way up to $17,028. Then on September 23rd, October 8th, October 14th, I paid down some of that debt, bringing it back down to $15,596. On October 14th, 15th, and 19th, you see that I've incurred some more debt. The one highlighted in green, the $8.27, that's interest accrued on my credit card purchases. So all in all, I ended 2019 with a debt of $13,876. The beginning of 2020, I started off by spending $704, bringing my debt back up to $14,580.73. And by February 3rd, that was up to $13,547. The one highlighted in green, little aqua green, represents the money that I got from cashback rewards. So anything you see highlighted in that bright aqua green was money that I received from spending my points. This is a travel rewards credit card. So the money that I've been spending, I got back some of that in travel rewards. On April 7th, you can see that I got back $654 to put towards my purchase of flights. We are now in May 2020, and you can see on May 12th, I put down a down payment of $2,000 to bring my debt down to $10,700. This was in the midst of quarantine season, so I had a lot of time at home to think and rearrange my money. In May is where I started to get serious about paying off this debt quickly. So you'll see a lot more down payments in that column, and you'd see the middle column empty, which is the spending column. So I began making payments very often. You can see in June I made about 8 different payments in June because I was really serious about cutting this debt down. And then moving on to July, by July 8th I was down to $4,628.75. And so on July 9th, I made a large purchase of $6,831.99. Now, that was a down payment to replace my roof on one of my properties. So my thought process going into this was to use the credit card and get all those points and then pay it off immediately from my checking account. And so that's what I did. And you can see it there on July 9th when I paid back that $6,832 to bring my balance back down to $4,628. Then from July 9th on to July 20th, I paid down a little bit here and there to bring it down to $3,987.26. And then on July 25th, I finally said, you know what, I'm tired of this. I'm just going to pay off all of it and just see what happens. So on July 25th, I made my last payment of $3,987.26 to bring my balance to zero. So now I have no credit card debt at all. Yay!